On the subject of the DepEd, uh, we are still looking into it. I think it is contrary to all our policy directions. When we talk about the STEM development of our educational sector, and then to the continuing development, because yung nawala na 10 billion comes from the computerization item. So we're working on it to make sure that we will restore it. I do not want to line item veto anything, because that just gets in the way. So we are still talking about it and trying to find a way, and I think we'll be able to do something. Ayan, that's maybe this is the first thing. Hindi pa buo ang sagot ko. Pero sasabihin ko na sa inyo, tinatrabaho namin yan. At kailangan na kailangan. Hindi, you know, the 12 billion from an original request of 12 billion to be reduced down to 2. And 12 billion is only sufficient to maintain what we're already doing. When in fact we have to do more. So, you know nga, we have to figure that out. But we are. But we are.
Sir, yung pag-bloat ng public works budget to more than 1 trillion,
Yeah.
what are your thoughts on that?
Well, some of we'll have to look into the details of that, because there are here's the other thing, because some of the big ticket projects in public works that used to be put in the into the, how do you say, the unappropriated funds in the reserves. Now, I'm saying, I told them, I asked the House, wag na natin kasi babalik-balikan pa natin yan para mailagay doon sa project, which is a delay. So, because sana we normalize what we are doing so that it's already in the GAA, hindi doon sa reserves. So that's what pinapalitan talaga natin the way we do things, para maging mas mabilis ang takbo. You know, we're as of the end of the year, we're 2.5 years already. We have 3.5 years left. We have to get these things done. We have to get all the structures in place already. So we're changing. But ganyan talagang budget process is a to and fro. So we will look into the insertions in the public works and see which ones are absolutely necessary. And maybe yung iba, titignan natin kung talaga bang critical. We'll see. But public works is still going to be one of the top recipients of budget, because marami nga tayong ginagawa. We have big projects that we have to put in place. Infrastructure is really important. And don't forget, flood control became such a big part of the work of the Department of Public Works. They have to build things that we never had to build before. Binabantayan lang namin, especially the ODA project, binabantayan talaga namin, is to make sure that our debt ratios are still relatively manageable. And we are. The debt ratio to the GDP now is lower than when we started 2 years ago. So it's moving in the right direction. Of course, not as quickly as I would like for it to, but may bagyo tayo, may mga ganito, wala tayong choice. We have to spend for people's support, to support people pagka nalagay sila sa alangan.
But sir,